Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paint for any 3D avatar in your Blender 4.2. You can see this is a rig avatar. If I go to the pose mode, I try to just manipulate. This is creating a pose. All of the skin weight ready, fine, and everything are ready. But now this 3D avatar doesn't have a paint, so I'm going to make one for her. The first step, what I need to do is just export it as FBX on my desktop. Sorry, no need the new folder. Name this as model FBX. The path mode I choose copy. Just turn on all of the this setting is just to make sure all of the material texture embedded inside the FBX file. I export it. Now, next, I open the Marvelous Designer. Click File, import the FBX from my desktop. Then scale, choose the auto scale. I click OK. Next, I'm going to just create a paint. So I click here, just create a polygon. Then I'm going to just make a paint. Wait, just make it easy in that way. Done. Now you already have a mesh. Next, we need to have another side. So I just select this, copy, Ctrl C to copy and paste it right behind. For this, make sure you move it to behind and make sure you turn it then move it down. Make sure it is near to the body mesh. Same as this one, make sure. Okay, make it closer. Then, now we are going to seal it. Go to free sealing. Seal here, corresponding to here. Now you can see that another side corresponding to here. Then the bottom. Here. Sorry. Just one. Wait. From here to here. Corresponding to here. Then, from here to here, corresponding to here. So once you're done already, just try to simulate. Right, now it dropped, so just Ctrl Z to undo. We make it higher. Select both of it. Then lift it up, make it higher. Simulate again. now if you feel not satisfied, you can just redo it again. Control Z. So now come to the selection. We try to make this 2 point higher. This can be higher as well. Try to simulate again. Now it seems better. Done. Once you already done it at this part, next you can just export as FBX, but before that you can save this Marvelous Designer project first. Click File, save as a project. On my desktop, I'm going to name this as Paint01 on my desktop. Then just wait for a while. It is going to have a prompt, the save prompt. Where is it? File, save project, save as a project. Right, so now where's the location? Should be on the desktop. Right click, I refresh it. It is not saved yet. Name this as Paint01. Save. Right, now finally it already saved. Next, we are going to export this FBX. So create a new folder, name this as Paint01 export. Click File, Export, FBX. On the desktop, Paint01 export. The file name, Paint01. Now it is going to export as FBX file. So this one's just click OK. It is going to export out the FBX. Just wait for a while until you can see the FBX file exported. The FBX file is at here. So next, in your Marvelous Designer, move your mouse cursor to here, select Reset 3D Arrangement, then save again. Just save the project. Now you can close the Marvelous Designer. At this moment, back to the Blender. Right click the Blender at the bottom, open with a new window. So this is a fresh new Blender project file. Click the empty area, press A and delete everything. Import into here, file import FBX from the desktop, the model, the Paint01, just import this. Now you can see actually it will import together with the armature. This armature, just click and this is the armature, just delete it. The rest also delete it. We just want to have this paint. Now this body also delete it. We only want this mesh. And go to the material, just click minus it to make sure no material at here. Then go to the UV editing. At here, move your mouse cursor to here, press L. Then you can see you already selected the front parts. Move your mouse cursor to here, select it, move to here, and press S. Resize it to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Next, move your mouse cursor to behind, click empty area, press L, select it, then here, press L, move it. Before that, press S to make it resize 0.5. Here, 0.5. Here, 0.5. Then move it to here. Then here, just press A to select everything. Now you can see the UV. Press L. So for this part is the front, for this part is the back. So here A, here A, press S, make it bigger. This is the UV map now. So next, for this one, you can see if you press L, you try to move it. Actually, it is not sealed together, so Ctrl Z to just undo it. Here, press A, right click, merge vertices by distance. Now everything settle. You can see it already become just one mesh. Done. Once you're done already, press A. You can see the UV map. So click the UV, export the UV layout on the desktop. Name this as pen01 UV. Export the UV layout. Then back to the desktop, the UV layout is at here. Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste it. Right click, open with paint, with the paint now, sorry. Then Ctrl S, it's going to save. Now no more transparency. I'm going to just write something here, front. Use the red color, front. This is the front. Here, back. And as demo, I'm going to just simply scribble a little bit at here. Just go to the home, brush, just scribble something at here. Now, so we assume that you are going to use the graphic editing software like Photoshop's picture editing software to just make your paint. So now I click save. You already have a UV. Back to the Blender. Here, go to the layout. The material, just turn on the texture first and plus new. Base color, just choose the image texture. Open from the desktop, the pen 01 UV. Now you can see this is exactly what I had made the changes just now. So for this, you also can just go to the texture paint and you can make some changes at here. Just select any color. You can see you can perform the texture paint at here. Save it. Save on the desktop. Name this as pens01. Save this as a blend file. Back to the layout. So click. Now you can apply on your 3D avatar at here. Ctrl V. Just now is at here. I copy this. Click. Select Ctrl C. Copy. Then back to here. Ctrl V. Sorry. At here. Ctrl C. Here. Have to back to the object mode here. Ctrl V. Now you can see it already pasted and it already fit automatically. Now we are going to bind the skin width. Click the paint, hold the shift, click the skeletons, Ctrl P, select armature deform, then click the skin, hold the shift, click the paint, select weight pen, then click weight, then transfer weight, transfer mesh data, choose nearest face interpolated, ray radius choose 5 meter, and this one, the source layer choose by name. Done. We test it. Back to the object mode. We are going to test it. I click the skeletons. This one show in front. Display as the stick. I try. Let's say for this one. Click. I go to the pose mode. I try to manipulate some pose. You can see it already fully bind. It already bind the skin width. Now this pants is really already wear on your 3D avatar, and actually you can remake the color just now. The material texture is at here. Click. The material texture just now is just a PNG. You can just remove it and just create any color as well if you want. See? It can be any color. This is really easy. Because it already become a paint that belongs to this 3D avatar. Now everything done. It is really easy. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to design a paint, how to make a paint for any of your humanoid 3D avatar for your Blender 4.2. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.